and nothing can go wrong. Oh no!
What's up, broskies? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be painting a fender light cap for a Corvette. The fender belongs to the homie Kami Ken. A lot of you guys know him. He's does a lot of street sharking. Anyways, I painted his car probably like 2 months ago, and he had a little accident. He messed up the corner right here. It's all fixed up. Put a little bit of primer, and I'm gonna get ready to paint. I have not painted in a while, so I don't know if my compressor's kind of old, so I'm thinking of getting a new one, but I'm gonna try it. It's only a fender and 2 caps, and then I also have a hood, but since I don't have enough clear, I'll probably get some more tomorrow. I'm just gonna do the fender and these 2 little parts. Check out my little setup. It's pretty hot right now. This is the paint. I think this paint is called Millenium Jade. I always like to get a whole gallon for a car. If you get like into a little accident, he's gonna save on paint. Shingon. Alright, so I haven't used this gun in about a year. Hopefully she still works. I got this gun on Amazon. Works pretty good. So I've been using a Harbor Freight air compressor. It's not the best thing in the world, but it does the job. Don't forget, guys, to use your mask. Protection, safety first. I got new filters in my mask. Sheesh. We are ready to send it. Alright, broski, so I think I figured out why my compressor wasn't throwing air consistently. The air hose has a leak. The connections are bad. That's why I'm losing a lot of air. So I'm gonna go to Harbor Freight, buy a new air hose. Once we get those things, we should be good to go. If not, I think I am gonna have to buy a new air compressor. So hopefully I don't have to. I got my air hose. I got new connections, quarter, and then I got a oil water separator. And if that's not enough, I got this big daddy one right here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, broski. So it turned out my compressor was good. It was the hose that was bad. New hose is in, and then I got the filter on the gun, and then a filter, bigger filter on the compressor. I'm gonna need about yay much. Put a little more. And don't forget your hardener. And then on clear coat, I like to use a little bit of a reducer, just a little bit. Alright, broski, just like that, parts are done. Sheesh. Check out that reflection. I did like 3 coats of clear coat. They came out pretty badass. Not bad for painting outside. I usually paint inside the garage, but I have my 370Z in there. Gotta work on that thing, and but not bad outside. Before I painted them, I threw some water on the floor, so that helps with the dirt debris. All right, broskis, it is the next day. I have this is actually, I thought it was like a speed cover, but it actually covers the front license plate on the front bumper. Looks pretty good. What's up, girl? What's up, girl? What's up? What's up, girl? What's up, girl? You shy? She's a shy girl. They brought me this Nissan Kicks for some bumper damage. I'm gonna have to paint pretty much. Well, I'm gonna have to sand it down, fix it, and then I think the clip fell off, so I gotta take off this. Pull it out, pull out this flare, and then kind of push it back in. Yeah, I'm gonna go to the paint shop right now, pick up some clear coat, and then paint for this bumper. So if you didn't know, most of the color codes are on the door jambs. Let's see, let me see where. So shit, I don't even know where. It could be color trim, color XA8 or a B. It's probably a 8. They usually have a number on the code. Alright, broskis, if you guys are near Maywood, this is the paint store I come to. OEM Auto Paint Supplies. They got everything, broskis, here. This is my favorite place. I can get all my paints, all my materials. Sheesh. ¿Qué onda, Omar?
¿Qué hubo?
Caigan aquí con el Omar. He's gonna help hook you guys up. Vamos a ver. Vamos a ver cómo se mixtea esa madre. So, ¿te tira un código o qué pedo? Y ya...
Te tira un código, güey, y el código te da diferentes tonos, güey. Like for the black one, not just black and pearl, son 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 cosas que se echan, güey.
Oh shit. Y ahí te va diciendo
lo que lleva.
¿Cuánto? Órale.
Lo que llevas. Como aquí ya me pide blanco. Like 19.3.
¿Y los va por gramos?
Va por gramos, güey.
Sí, bueno. Facilita.
No, qué chingado, güey.
Si te pasas ya valió madre.
Ya valió madre, güey. Cuando son más chiquitos y son tonos fuertes, güey, es cuando tienes más pedo, güey.
Oh shit.
Porque si te pasas con una gotita, como por ejemplo este lleva amarillo.
Hey.
Y si me paso de amarillo, me lo va a hacer bien a
cambiar color, ¿verdad? Órale. So, todos estos colores son like solid, son like
toners, pearls, güey.
Órale.
Todo hace desmadre, güey.
Imagínate, güey, que te hagan con como el pinche salero, güey, que le dejan la tabla, güey.
Que tienes que dar vuelta de la verga, güey.
Ya, mamá.
Parece fórmula esa madre de bebé, güey. So this is a black for a Nissan 350Z. Mira chingón esa madre.
Sí, está bonito el color.
Alright, so now we're gonna mix red paint for a Civic.
¿Qué más, canijo?
¿Qué más? Yo creo un reducer, güey.
Mediano o lento, güey.
Mediano. Ya me puse a pulir, güey. Me puse a pulir mi carro, güey. Me quedaba rayado el güey. Y estaba viendo unos videos y decía que le echara lubricant a la pad, güey. Porque cuando se seca se...
Te raya, güey.
Te rayaba. Y decía, ¿qué pedo, güey? Y ya compré un pinche lubricant de ahí del Detail Garage. Qué chingón, güey. Pinche difference, güey.
¿Qué diferencia? ¿Esto, güey?
Simón. Voy a quedar de ver los pinches, like, $5.
2, 3, 40 y 8. Ahí estamos. Está bien. Ni más ni menos, güey. Ni más rico ni más pobre. Yo digo, ¿verdad?
Ya está, güey.
Ya saca ni, güey. Échale. No, gracias a ti, güey. Échale ganas, güey.
If you guys don't remember, I explained it in a previous video. So these mixing cups have ratios, and most of this paint, most of the like Valspar brand, you go by a 2-to-1. So you put two parts paint and then 1 part of reducer. So if you're gonna use this much or this much, it's labeled by the numbers. So in this case, we're gonna go up to number 3, and then we're gonna fill it up all the way to the number, or maybe like number 3. And pour it little by little. So it's at a number 2 right now. Whoops. So let me show you guys. So you guys can see right here, 2-to-1, and then we fold it up to the number 3 right there. And then now, since we did number 3, the second part, which is 10%, we're gonna fill it up to this line with reducer. So pretty easy. Alright broskis, and just like that I just finished painting the hood and the front bumper. If you guys saw me add reducer on the clear coat and you're probably wondering why I did that, so I've noticed that when I add reducer on the clear, it reduces the orange peel on the paint and it doesn't look too orange peely. It came out pretty good. Ay, se me chorreó a little bit right there. Let me see. It came out pretty badass. The parts should be dry by tomorrow and ready for pickup. These parts are going home. Hell yeah. Ready for the next crash or what? Oh. Yeah? It wasn't there. Alright broskies, that is going to be it for Drop a Like if you guys enjoyed today's video. Subscribe and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace out.